Hello, and welcome to another All About Doors and Windows feature presentation.
There are many different types and styles of weather stripping, and in this video we are going to show you what measurements are necessary to know in order to identify the correct weather strip needed for the replacement process. Before beginning, it is recommended that you always double check your measurements and plan to buy more than necessary so that you can ensure an efficient replacement process. To measure hollow bulb kerf style weather stripping, it is always important to measure the diameter of the bulb and the base's extension size. It is also important to find the barb width so that you can ensure the weather stripping will fit correctly within your door or window. If you have kerf style weather stripping but the bulb is offset like in the diagram shown, then simply repeat the steps from the previous example, but make sure you measure the offset distance of your bulb. For fuzzy pile weather stripping, always measure the backing width and pile height. When dealing with seafold weather stripping, measure the backing width and reach. This weather stripping can be referred to as kerf back polyflex weather stripping because it offers slightly more durability than the previous examples. You must measure the reach of the weather strip and the width of the bulb along with the length of the fin.
And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. All products shown in this video can be found on our website and down in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.